मौसम कई गुजारे।
Hello, welcome back to my channel Kritika Entertainment. Today I'll show you the binary search program. Binary search means what? Now, it is the method of divide and conquer. It is a process which is used to search the item by using divide and conquer method. So now I will tell you. Okay. So now I will show you the program. So you just check it. Before that, suppose here I will write gedit binary search. Okay, .c. Then I will write hash include. Okay. Then stdio.h. So here write int main. I will declare the variables. Suppose I want a midpoint and low, and what is the upper value, and next is one array, 10 elements. Okay. Then next is low, mid of array. Okay. Okay. Then one is the item. I want to search the item, that the item present or not. Okay. So now what will do? I'll be take the array value. So I'll be declare one item I. Okay. So I'll be write printf enter 10 values. Okay, enter 10 values. So here give the /n. Okay, then for loop I'll be start I equals to 0, I less than, okay, 10, because my array size is 10, I plus plus. Scanf %d ampersand arr I. Okay, array value is inputted. So here I will take the low. Lower index is the 0. Okay, then up upper index is the array index, that is called 9. Okay, so and here I'll first tell you the logic. So you see the logic here. Okay, so logic is just see the logic. So here, okay, this is my array. You remember one thing, when in binary search, in linear search, you will be enter the array value randomly. That means it is not require the sorted order. But in binary search, you have to enter the array item in sorted order. So I have entered sorting value 5, then after 8, then after 12, 36. What that means? It is the ascending to descending order. 5, 8, 12, 36, 50, 65, 7, 81, 92. So binary search method is what? First it will divide. Okay. So what will do? Now here suppose low is the 0, okay, and upper is the 9. Then mid is equal to low plus up by 2. So that means here 9 by 2 means 4. Then mid is the 4. Okay, here you can find mid is 4. Then when you enter the item, and you will be check with the mid value. Okay, when you enter, suppose mid means 50. Okay, mid is 4. Then what is the mid for array 4 value? That is called 50. Suppose you are entering here, you can see in left side. Okay, you are entering 12. That means it will be search the element from 5 to 50. That means you want to search the 12. So 12 is the my item to be searched, and it will be searched from 0 to 4 or 5 to 50. So if your item is less than mid, okay, if your item is less than mid value, then what will do? Then your item, then your lobe does not require to move to the right side. It will be search your item from 5 to 50 because your item is less than from the mid value. So then what will do? It will be search. So then my op will be update. My op last time it was okay ARR 9 value, but my op will be between 5 to 50. So 50 is already used. So which one my op value? Then after that 50 will be left, or 50 will be give up, or 50 will be ignore. Then it will be search my index from 5 to 36. Then which one is my op value? My op value, okay, is equal to, okay, I here I written, okay, my op value is equal to mid. Mid means 50 minus 1. That means it will search. 50 is already used, so it will search from 5 to 36. Okay, so this time it will be, okay, again it will be divided into 2. Okay, then again it will search this item is present or not. Same time. Okay, if right side I have written, if low equal 0 up to 9, mid equal to low by 2, that means mid is equal to 4. If item is equal to 85, I have enter. So what will happen? That means your item is greater than the 50 value. देखो, if your item is greater than the mid value, then what will happen? Your item will be searched between 50 to 97. Okay, right side your cursor will be moved. Your item will be searched from 50 to 90. So 50 is already used. Then it is searched from 65 to 97. That means here your low value will be updated. Then which one is low value? Low value means it is the end value is already fixed, but low value will be 65. That means ARR 5. Then what is the low value? Low value is the low equals to mid. Mid means 50. 50 is already used, so will be searched from 65 to 97. So what is the low value? Low value will be, you can find mid plus 1. So like that it will be searched. If your array mid and item is found, then you will be return the mid value. Mid is the index. Then you can display the mid, that is called the, okay, index of your item. Okay, or position of your item. So now I will be create a program. You just see it. I think you have understand this concept. So now I will be create a program. So here, okay, here I will take the another variable that is called position. Okay, so here you see, here write while, okay, I will write low greater less equals to up. Okay, while low less equal to up, then I will write mid is equal to, okay, low plus up. Okay, then by 2. It is always divide. It will follow the divide policy. So by 2. Okay, then I will write if ARR mid, okay, if ARR mid, okay, greater than less than, okay, then suppose I will write greater than less than item. Okay, if ARR mid less than item, then what will you see? Then what will be written here? If here, okay, so here you can write if it is less than, okay, you see here, if ARR mid is less than item, that means your item is less than mid, that is less than mid. Then what will happen? That is mid is the small than your item, so your item should be in the right side, and right side is the biggest elements are there. So you will be, okay, you will be write low is equal to mid plus 1. That means it is a low value. So here you go low plus 1. What to write here? Low plus 1. Okay, low mid is equal to we'll write low plus 1. Else if, okay, else if ARRI greater than. If greater than item, okay, then what will write? Now here will be okay, mid will be update and your of plus 1. Okay, so else what will do? Here will write the position value, then here will I found the position, so position is equal to will write the mid value, then here I will write the break. Okay, then I will close the if else, okay, then I will close the file. Here will check if, okay, if your here starting from starting will be store position equals to 0. Okay, here will check if position greater than 0. If that means if found items. Okay, so it will not write a greater than, it will be greater than. Okay, yes, if your position, or you can write if position equals to minus 1. Okay, 0 means there is some elements are maybe there, so you will write if position equal to minus 1. Okay, if position equals to greater than minus 1. Okay, that means then what will write? Printf item found at percentage D position. Okay, slash n, here write the mid. Okay, semicolon, else, okay, printf item not found. Okay, then I'll be save this and close. Okay, so check here, I'll write this cc dot slash a dot out. So we enter the 5 values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 values. Okay, so here mistake is there, so what will do? You will be enter the okay searching value. So here write okay printf enter the item to search. Okay, so here write the scanf percentile D, okay, ampersand item. Okay, so here I will close this, then I will be compile run. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Enter item, so I have entered the 8. Okay, so program is hang. So I will go and check what is hang. So just check it. So here I will open the program and here where is the error search. So while low is equal to 0 and upper is equal to 0, then while you will be right. While low less equal to off, mid equal to low plus off by 2, while ARR mid okay greater than then mid equal to while ARR mid less than item Okay, then mid equal to low plus 1, else if array I if greater than item, then mid equal to of plus 1. Okay, so your if item it is greater than item, then mistake, it will be right here. Sorry, here will be your up will be low will be update, low it's okay. So low will be update and here up will be update. So here if array mid less than item, then low is equal to mid plus 1. Here write low is equal to mid plus 1. Mid plus 1 if less than item, then if it is greater than item, then up is equal to mid minus 1. If it is greater than item, then up is equal to mid minus 1. Okay. Up is equal to mid minus 1. Okay, so else position equal to mid, then break. Okay, then I'll be save this and run. Okay, so enter 10 value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is item so 9. So item found at 8 position. Okay, so enter the item to search. Okay, another again I will run. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Suppose I want to search the item. Suppose 3 also find at the item found at which position? Na here 4 position. So here I will do. You will be right here mid minus 1 will be right because it takes one extra item. So here write the mid minus 1. Okay. So you can see here. Okay, 10. And we suppose enter 5. 5 is the 4th position. So I find some mistakes are there maybe. So here you will low less equal to up mid equal to low plus up by 2 if array mid less than item, then low equal to mid plus 1, else if array item is greater than item, then up equal to mid minus 1, else okay, else position equal to mid, then break, then bracket equal because if position greater than 0. So here you do one thing. So here sorry, you will type your position. Okay. You type your position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, suppose I want to search the item 5. Okay, I will be give the here position value because mid is always updated and changes. So do not be write the okay mid value. It will give the here position because we have already written the mid to position. Okay, so it's very simple program. I think you have understand. If you understand, then comment, like. If you are new, then subscribe. Okay, bye. Thank you.